Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction going on the Melrose Hill bypass. Now Highway 2000 is going from Maypen to Mandeville, and when the highway comes out, it's going into the Melrose Hill bypass. It's going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass as it goes to Williamsfield. So this road will still be called the Melrose Hill bypass, but you can access the highway from here, and basically the highway goes into the Melrose Hill bypass. Now, to use a highway from Kingston to where we are, you have to pay toll. But once you get onto the Melrose Hill bypass section of the highway, you don't have to pay toll. So basically the Melrose Hill bypass will connect both sides of Highway 2000. You can look at it that way, because Highway 2000 is going from Kingston to Williamsfield and Williamsfield to Hodges. So from this point here, straight ahead now is where the Highway 2000 goes into the Melrose Hill bypass. Wow. So this lane here is for the traffic coming off. Okay, where we are now, you can see they put up these plastic cones to try and differentiate the traffic. So straight, if we were to go straight, the traffic coming off the highway would use this side of the cones, and the traffic coming from the Melrose Hill bypass would use the other side. Now this intersection, I'm not sure what's going to happen, but as you can see, it should be 4 lanes. So you have 2 lanes from Melrose Hill and 2 lanes from the highway, and then as you go further up, you merge them into 2, because the Melrose Hill bypass section is going to be 2 lanes in each direction. A dual carriageway, 2 lanes on either side of the Jersey barrier. So I'm not sure what the final plan will be for out here, but the simplest thing to do, because you have all the space on the left, is just to build 2 additional lanes and then merge them as you get closer to the bypass. But these plastic cones will definitely help. But the cones have 2 lanes from the Melrose Hill bypass on that side, and then as you go up, so the traffic coming off the highway will then merge with the traffic from Melrose Hill bypass right here. And actually it does, I mean, it's not painted, so maybe once they paint it, maybe where these cars are parked, it's not a shoulder, but it's actually a part of the highway, which would make it 6 lanes, which would make it a lot easier to merge. So let's wait until the white line's going to see exactly what's going on, because I'm thinking that there is no shoulder. To the left is the lanes for the highway. So in other words, there will be no stopping at this point of the highway. And then as you come down here, because this road is wide enough for 3 lanes easily, but no, they have a shoulder. See the shoulder here? So I'm not sure exactly how they're going to work it, but once they paint it, it should look better. But that looks like a shoulder on the left now. So which means this is still 2 lanes, and where you come off the highway and where you actually this could be 6 lanes. We're going to have to wait till I paint the road, but that intersection there where the Melrose Hill bypass traffic and the Highway 2000 traffic merge right where you saw those plastic cones, it looks very, very dangerous. But let's see what happens. I mean, I can't imagine these people build a highway and not have a proper mechanism in place for the merging of the traffic. Alright, so this is the bypass now, the Melrose Hill bypass. It was upgraded to the 4-lane dual carriageway, and this will take the traffic from Williamsfield to Porus and vice versa, Porus to Williamsfield, and you'll be able to access the highway from the Melrose Hill bypass. Very nice road, and you're going to get from Maypen to Mandeville in 15 minutes when the highway is finished. So we're giving you an update on the Melrose Hill bypass, and this road is to be opened in August of 2023. Now this road will still be called the Melrose Hill bypass. They're not going to rename the road. It's just going to be a part of Highway 2000, but you don't have to pay toll to use this part. Now, somebody had asked what's going to happen to the Yam Park if you are going in this direction, because it's on that side. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to put in a turning lane to go over there, or somebody had mentioned they're going to have the Yam Park on both sides. So there's going to be another one built on the left. So we'll wait and see what the final outcome is. But from all indications, this section of the highway will be finished by August 2023. I have more faith in this section being finished by August than the section from Harborview to Yallows on the south coast. That section, I'm not 100% sure will be finished by August. This one definitely should be finished by August, which is 8 weeks from now. And if you notice, you don't see a lot of people working on this section of the highway now. It's the same contractor doing both highways. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We will give you updates on this project every week between now and the end of August, or until the highway is open so everybody can see what's going on. Alright guys, have a good day.